Hi guys, so we had every intention of taking a hike once a week, at least once a week this summer, but we're about 6 weeks in and we've been so busy with baseball tournaments and vacations, which we've done a couple hikes on vacations, but not as much as we wanted to. I'm so glad we were able to get this hike in. It was just under 3 miles up and the boys did great. A couple tips I have for, and I've shared this with you guys before, but it's not a bad thing to replay it. A few oils that I bring with me on a hike. I definitely always bring peppermint to rub on the back of their necks and their spines, especially on a nice hot day. It's a really hot day today. Luckily we have about half shaded, so it's great, but I rub a drop of oil on their neck, the base of their neck, base of the, or top of the neck I should say, and down their spine. And then I also bring with me lemongrass as a bug repellent. I bring lavender and melaleuca for bug bites and bumps and scrapes. And I will show a picture at the very end of this of my little first aid kit that I hold in the bottom of this pack. Say hi, Sunny. She's my little music box on my back. And then I bring some first aid cream, ointment, with some band-aids, just in case. And a handkerchief's a good idea. If you're in streams, you can dip it in the water and put it on your neck. Keep yourselves cooled down. You don't always want to drink out of those streams, but I also usually bring some lemon, but my pack, I must have run out of lemon last hike, and I didn't replenish it in my pack. Usually have that to help cleanse the water if we have to drink stream water. Sunny, you're cute. Anyways, just nice to get outside, especially for anxiety people, or people without it, just to stay away from that and to de-stress and to get your body moving. And it's a great example for your little kids for the future, to get out and move their bodies every single day. We need the sun, we need the vitamin D for our brain function and our cellular function. So get out and move your body, no matter what it may be, even if it's a walk around the block. Get out and move your body. And anyways, sorry I'm rambling, but that's what we're doing today. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say later, dudes.
See you later, dude.
Bye-bye.
This is our first aid kit. Like I said, peppermint, lavender, melaleuca, and lemongrass are always in our first aid kit. The correct X is like your antibiotic cream, and some wipes. You can have some alcohol wipes. I prefer the On Guard wipes. I don't know that you can get them anymore, so you'd have to make your own. And some band-aids. I bought this first aid case in the dollar section at Target. I think it was the $3 part. It works wonderful and holds everything we need.